Just like that is all I can touch it. Nice. $142 on that end now, 61.4, 155.5, 68.6, and the middle, 134. Wow, look at that. Same exact temperatures as the pad. Beautiful. That's 62 Celsius, max 73.6. I wonder if I can touch it. Oh, just barely. I can touch it, but just barely. Wow. Totally cool. That's awesome. So you can hook this to like your car's cig lighter if you want to use it in a car, a van, something like that. Should be great as a radiative heater for that. You could also hook it to just a standard deep cycle or lithium battery. You could hook it to a 12-volt solar panel. Or you can just hook it to one of those AC/DC power supplies. If you want to run it on AC to warm it up, you could plug it into your wall with that. This would be great, by the way, in an off-grid situation if you got solar, because you can literally hook this straight up to solar with one of these little patch cord deals. Just put the wires, instead of going to that, just go to a 12-volt solar panel or two. It'll soak up all the heat throughout the day, as long as you get a few hours of sun during the daylight hours. And then from the evening on into the night, that'll just pump out the heat. I'd use either 1 or 2 100-watt solar panels. 2 to cover it for sure, to get the amps that you need for full power. You can get those on Amazon now, by the way, 100-watt 12-volter for $50 if you look around. Maybe even less now, but I've seen them as low as 50 bucks. So that's not bad. These are super easy to make. You just buy the socket and the cord and slip those on. Or you can buy those for, I think they're like $3. Great way to collect the heat during the day, especially with like a solar panel. Bury that, let it run for 8 hours in the sun if you get some sunny winter days, and then this will just put off heat for hours into the night.